Trout! I see him. I see one. I see one. Hold up. Wait.
What is that? Is that a perch?
It's not a perch. I don't think there's a creek chub. Okay, guys, we're at the first spot for trout fishing. Let's see.
I don't think there's anything there.
Okay. Okay, let's go on, boys. Some thorn bushes here, guys. Cross over here. We'll cross at that big rock over there. That's the best move, I think.
Okay, yeah, go through that little
yeah,
path.
Gotcha. Check, Connor. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is it.
Which means like I can use a god apple right here.
Okay, so we're at about like 4 or 5 feet deep, I'd say.
I'll put my crap down. Probably shouldn't have cast it in. Probably.
Would you reckon? Oh, this is the stuff. Look at this right here. Look how deep this is. Adrian, get a cast in here. Right in there. Just take one out, okay? I think I should have 2.
You need to get like waders next here.
I know, you gotta get waders.
Dude, if we get waders, someone's gonna walk.
Trout! I see him. I see one. Nick, Connor, put on the trap magnet. Connor, it's just put on the trap magnet. I just saw like right out in the middle.
Hold on, everyone just start casting in now.
Yep. He's down deep though. He's down deep. Hey guys. Let's keep moving. It's too shallow here. But over here. And up there too by that tree. Any diamonds in here? Blue heron. Yo, we got creek chubs.
Chubs where?
In there.
I'll see them. They're small. Wow, that was great.
I've been asking for a split shot for the last 45 minutes.
Well, you should have asked me here, I forgot.
Yeah. Connor, keep him in the water. I'll be over. I know, keep him in the water. I'll be over.
Give me pliers.
I have pliers.
Okay.
Hey, Connor, have my dad help you. This is not a creek chub. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
This is some kind of a shiner right here. Look at that. It's Connor caught this guy. It's a little shiner.
Oh,
I have it, yeah. Huh.
I got it.
This would be great bait. Okay, not that much luck at spot number 1. Now I'm going to go to spot number 2. Okay, guys, spot number 2. Little bridge.
Okay? Everyone got that, right?
Yeah. Of course. Yeah, I know, right? They're like, huh? They're like, those darn kids. They're probably doing something they aren't supposed to be doing. Hopefully we will see a trout here.
Hold on, wait for me.
Imagine that thing would have my butt.
It's Adrian's first thought. Oh, I see one on it. I got one.
Yo, chill with the launch, buddy.
Hold up. Wait.
What is that? Is that a perch?
It's not a perch. I don't think there's a creek chub.
Oh my god. Those are huge. And nice cast, buddy. That was
okay, this I think this is some kind of a shiner.
That's a beautiful cast. Give it. Oh.
I don't know. I think this might be some kind of a shiner. I'll try to identify this. An emerald shiner, maybe?
Let me see. What is it?
Little shiner?
Adrian,
What do you think?
You guys are like just both at 500,000 feet.
Oh.
Yikes. That was a good cast. Yo, you cast it really far back, they immediately bite.
Yeah. Oh, my gosh. You're right. Yeah, this one right here is a creek chub.
Adrian, Jesus. What are you trying
See?
to do with these fish?
That's a...
Keep these fish 400 feet back. My God, fish.
Hold on, I'm doubting myself. I don't even know if this looks like a weird looking creek chub. It's a river chub?
Connor,
Some kind of a
I
chub.
had a perfect cast. Darn, dude. That sucks.
Who knows?
Maybe you should try.
Got one. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've caught, like, look at that guy. Maybe it's just me. It looks different than the last one I caught. I don't know. Like, the line continues onto its gill plate. I don't know what that is. Huh. Interesting. Literally just let it sit. Don't even move it. Oh, a green or a bluegill. Bluegill, not a green stuff, it's a bluegill. Little bluegill. Hey, buddy. That would be pretty good, like bass fishing bait or catfishing bait. Right there. Guys, one of these days we should come here and get stocked up on like bluegill and creek chubs, and then just go for like big bass or like catfish, you know? Got one. Oh my gosh. There's one following in. Yo, there's one following in.
Are you like?
Yo, look at my thing. Look at the size of that creek chub following in. Dude, cast right next to mine. Cast right next to mine. He's trying to take the bait out of his mouth.
See my bait?
Cast right next to mine. Oh my gosh.
Got it. Got it.
You got it? Yeah, you got him. Nice one. Ready to move on, Adrian? Oh my gosh, we're all on it. There's one. Number 6. Just creek chubs. Yeah, it's a creek chub right there. No, it's deep. No, that's deep.
You'll be able to see the fish.
The fish last time were on the other side. Like the other side of the river.
How are we supposed to get over there?
I know, it's like 3 feet deep in the middle. Oh, I got wet. Oh my gosh, I got freaking wet. Bro, I just got soaked. Oh, yo, my boots are done. Who cares? Oh shoot, I'm soaked. Well, my boots are done. I don't care anymore. I don't even care anymore. Look at me.
This current is really strong.
Yo, my boots are like Dunskies, boys.
We get it. Your boots are gone.
Dude, my feet are gonna die. Look at my boot right here.
That's good.
Yo, look at my boot.
Stay wet, you idiots.
Holy
I'm quitting.
crap, bruh. Alright, Connor, I'm gonna cross. I'm heading back and I'm gonna cross.
Are you seriously across here?
Not here, I'm gonna cross over there.